to say the story of unity. A mouse, a crow, and a deer and the tortoise were the good friends. They lived by the side of they grew a giant banyan tree by the side of the lake. The crow lived on its branches, the mouse in the tree's hole, the tortoise swam in the lake while the deer zagged in the meadow. Each one was special in its own way. The small mouse had sharp teeth, the special tortoise had a hard shell and could swim. The gently deer was fast of them all. The crow could fly and inform the others of food or danger. On four friends meet generally under the banyan tree. One day the deer failed to come to the rest of the friends waited for him long time. The crow was, friend, why do not you fly around and check where our friend deer is? Suggested the wise tortoise. I hope he is not in trouble. I will be back in a moment, said the crow. He flew in search of deer. The crow fell high and low, calling out the deer. Suddenly he heard a feeble cry. Help me, save me. It was the deer caught in a hunter's net. I do not, I will get help. The crow comforted the frightened deer. He returned quickly to his friend. Our friend is in danger. We need to do something. The crow told the other what had happened. The wise tortoise remembered the mouse had sharp teeth and could cut the rope of the net and set the deer free. But how do I get there? The mouse was worried. You are little enough for the crow to carry, tortoise replied. Okay, let's hurry. Off flew the crow with the mouse on his back. I will get there. The tortoise called out. As soon as they reached the spot, the mouse jumped down and started to grab the net. Within a short time, the mouse cut the rope and the deer was free. Nice work, congratulated the tortoise who had reached there by then. Thank you, friends. The deer was really grateful. First, let's get away from here, warned the tortoise. Then they had heavy footsteps in it was the hunter. The mouse dashed into a hole nearby. The deer ran off swiftly. The crow flew up onto the tree. The tortoise started crammed into her. But it was too late. The hunter saw the slow tortoise. What if lost the animal in the net? I will have the tortoise instead. The hunter was delighted. He caught the tortoise, put him in his snack, and made him way home back. Oh no, the hunter was caught our friend, the tortoise. The crow flew around crying. We must help him somehow. The deer picked from the nearby thicket. I have a plan. The mouse poked its head out of the hole. The tree must live in front of the hunter. He is sure to put his snack down to catch you, the clever mouse suggested. They agreed and took their position. The mouse was close to the path where the hunter was approaching the deer down the path, and the crow up in the tree to direct the boar, warned his friend if needed. A deer, the greedy hunter, was anxious to get it as well. Then he saw the deer limbing its lamb. The hunter put down his snack and carefully approached the deer. As soon as the snack was on the ground, the mouse cut away the rope that bound in the mouth. The tortoise came out of the snack. Thank you, friend. Now let's escape. The tortoise clung to the stream crossed by the swam away. The mouse ran into a hole that led back of the lake. The crow flew up, crying, the tortoise is safe. Suddenly, the lamb deer separated away, leaving a suffered hunter. Later, the four friends got together by a tree and laughed over what happened. They realized that unity makes the impossible possible. Thank you.